Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and installation of this Glueless 28-inch wig from Ashmary Hair, and it is giving. I am in love with this curl pattern. It looks so cute. And this wig is completely glueless, you guys. Like, it is not glued down whatsoever. It looks so cute. I'm obsessed. But Ashmary actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, so we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from Ashmary Hair. Okay, yeah, this package is ultra protected, like, okay. Okay, so it does come with like a little shopping bag. Very cutesy. Here it is. We're gonna sit the wig to the side and first look at all of our gifts we have here. So, we have some cute little bows, and this box is really cute. So yeah, has a few bows in there, very cutesy. I might put that in the hair because I do love the bow look. I absolutely love it. And you have a large white bow, and here is some glueless tape. So some lace tape for your wig. You also have this bag of treats. Like, I'm telling you, they come through with the gifts. So you have this bag of treats. You have an HD wig cap, and here is info on how to take care of the wig. A beauty sponge, 2 beauty sponges, and like a headband to use when we actually try to melt this lace. Lashes, an edge control brush, or an edge brush. I don't know what y'all call it, an edge brush, and some bobby pins. So also over here we have a bonnet. I already have one of their bonnets on right now, but also they have a robe. So let's go ahead and put this robe on so we can feel luxurious and demure. Yeah, that's the new word I learned. We're gonna be demure. I don't know if I'm the only person that just now learned that word, but I never knew that word existed. Ooh, like, look at that. Bonnet and the little robe match. This is so bougie. This is very bougie, but I like it. Oh wait, we haven't even gotten to the wig yet. I'm over here talking about all these gifts. Let's actually unbox this wig after I get my little robe tied up. And let's look at this wig. So this is a 28-inch wig. Like, it is a nice length wig. So let's actually open it, because I know y'all are like, Brittany, hurry up and get to the wig. Like, you've been chatting. It is time for you to freaking get to the wig. This is a nice wave texture because this isn't like a too tight of a curl. Let me show you guys. So here is the hair. This is very full. It is a 250% density wig, so the wig is super full. Like, look at that from the side. Very full hair. Yeah, but yeah, these curls are really pretty. It's like not just loose to where it's like a loose wave, and it's not super tight. And it does already come pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached. So bam, not too much you really have to do to this wig. So this installation should take like no time. I'm really excited to put these cute little bows in the hair though. I feel like that's really gonna eat the girlies up. Let's do that. Ooh, this lace looks really thin and pretty. I do like that. Okay, so let me show you the parting space on this wig. This is the parting space. You still have room to do like a nice little pigtail look. Like, it's really good. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the install. So I'm just gonna add a little lace tint on the lace to make it a little darker and just a little closer to my skin tone. Like, there's not much we're gonna have to do to this wig at all. I'm really just gonna put it on and maybe like mousse it down just a little bit. But we might add baby hairs because I just learned how to do baby hairs the new fashioned way, but we might add just a few baby hairs. But I'm going to go ahead and turn on my hot comb and turn on my flat iron. And it's a little flat iron too, you guys. This is for the baby hairs. And of course, the wig does come with an elastic band, you guys. So the wig is gonna be super duper secure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this tag, and you can remove the combs. I don't really like combs on my wig because they pull out my real hair since I don't really wear a wig cap or anything. Oh, I feel like my face is just looking a little shiny, but I don't really wear a wig cap or anything. So those do the trick for sure. But let's go ahead and put this wig on and see what she's giving. Okay, I got it super far down. Ooh, okay, very cutesy. Very pretty, like straight out of the package. Very pretty. Bam, bam. Already looks really, really good. It really does. It's not much this wig needs at all. Like, as you can see, looks good. You can part it. I'm going to add a little makeup to my head because I have like a little tan to where I normally wear my wigs like a little lower than I want to wear this wig. So we're just adding a little makeup because I am like half of my face is darker than the rest other than like my top forehead. But yeah, this looks good. Before we actually add mousse to the top of the hair to get it like that slick pretty look, we're gonna go ahead and put out our baby hairs right here at the temples. You know, just a nice little amount of baby hair, nothing too crazy. And then add a little baby hair over here. Bam, looking good. So let's go ahead and cut this. I'm going to use an eyebrow razor, but it seems like people are using actual scissors now, but I'm gonna just use my eyebrow razor. And I feel like I always make my baby hair too long, but it's better to make it too long first and then cut it shorter than to just have it super short and now you're like, dang, I shouldn't have done that. So what the kids are doing, I don't know what order they do, but I think they go ahead and kind of curl the baby hairs inward towards your forehead, like bam. Curve them towards your forehead using a little itty bitty flat iron. Have some stray pieces coming in right here. They actually mousse down their baby hairs opposed to how I normally use like gel. Oh yeah, and this creates a whole different look. Like it looks really, really good when you do it this way. Like they were definitely on to something here. This does look a million times better in my opinion. Yeah, this side, the baby hairs are a little too long. So we're just gonna cut them just a little bit. Ooh, that is cute. These baby hairs are huge over here, but I kind of like it. It's big and dramatic, but let's just add some mousse to the top of the wig to get it like kind of slick towards the top. But like, as you can see, the wig is already giving, you guys. I put that sucker on, shifted it where I needed to be, gave it some baby hair, which is totally optional. I know baby hair is not for everybody. And honestly, this wig does not need baby hair either, but you know, different strokes for different folks. And then let's add a little makeup to the part too. And then I'm going to go ahead and use these cute little bows here because I think they're just adorable. And I'm going to put them alongside of my hair, starting at the temple, like right there, bam. Very cute. Very demure, very cute. Then we'll do red right under there. And then this hot pink right under there. Like we need this to be like straight. Gonna be like in a nice straight line. Very demure. Okay, now let's do, I'm on TikTok way too much, huh, you guys? We'll do a pink one right here. We'll do red. And then hot pink. Add a little more mousse. And like, she's giving. She looks really, really cutesy. Like, I really like it. Looks very feminine, very cutesy. I love, love, love it. Very cute, very cute. And it's completely glueless. So easy to apply. Like that styling all together in real time. This video took 12 to 13 minutes. It's almost 13 minutes. So this is so easy to do. And it just came out so cute. I'm obsessed. I love it, love it, love it. But once again, this wig is from Ashmary Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I have a piece of hair on my mouth. I hope that did not show on camera. But once again, this wig is from Ashmary Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.